Hey Rose, it's Monday, April 21st. I had a lot of fun making a couple joint videos with you this weekend. If you haven't seen, Rose and I made a video on Friday where we played a game to see who knew more about each other. It was interesting. Also, we made a video for the Nerdfighters Info collab in which we emulated the YouTubers Rhett and Link from their show Good Mythical Morning. So I'll put the links to both of those videos in the description below. You can check them out. But it was a lot of fun. Rose, we should probably be on camera together more often. So, the topic of today's video is water. Not the chemical or the physical properties of water, but rather the social properties of water. You see, water is important. Other than air, which we need every few seconds, water is the most crucial thing to life. If we don't drink a good amount of water every single day, things can start to go bad pretty quickly. The places that control the water have all the resources, and all the people, and all the food, and all the power. If people don't have access to or lose access to a water source, they will likely abandon the area completely or go to war over water. This has happened throughout human history and continues today. There are countless layers to what define a people, but on a very broad scope, areas without water just don't do as well. And this is why it is so awesome that so many people and organizations have dedicated so much to bring water to areas that lack in it. Just think of all the lives that can be saved, and all the wars that can be prevented, and all the productivity that can be achieved. All of this is why I was so blown away when I saw this new design for making water more available to people. There are, of course, many different techniques for making water more available, but in some places previous attempts have always failed. In the Namib Desert, for example, wells serve no use as there is no groundwater to dig into, and water treatment plants offer very little help because there's not even low-quality water to treat. Inhabitants spend hours of every day of their lives just walking to get water, which may even still be just a muddy hole in the ground. This time-consuming act lowers productivity, keeping adults from working more consistent jobs and keeping children from school and education. However, a company called Architecture and Vision has developed an awesome new method for collecting moisture directly out of the air. In the Namib Desert, it rarely rains, however there is high humidity and often even fog. The design calls for these small 10 to 15 foot towers made out of bamboo and other locally attainable materials. Within the scaffolding of these towers, a special net is held that is designed to collect condensation from the air and let it run down into a collection tank. Each of these towers can collect around 100 liters of water per day. Enough water for several families to survive on. The company's plan is to teach locals how to build these towers to make water more available to the villagers. Architecture and Vision actually has tons of designs to increase awesomeness on a global scale. I'll put their site in the description so you can go check them out. It is developments like this one that always remind me why the advancement of technology is so great for humanity. As long as we're smart about how we use it. When our minds can come together and create a new solution to an old problem, I have so much hope that we are going to grow and prosper into the future. And hopefully this prosperous future is one with you in it, Rose, so that we can see you on Wednesday. Bye.